A stunning custom renovation with architectural trims and finishes invites you to enjoy the private secure entrance of City View, featuring a greenscaped campus with Tennessee River views, water access and docks with secure parking and extra storage. The balcony on the back features views of the courtyard vista with fireplace and grill for outdoor entertaining. Enter the stunning living space framed with a large window wall of light accented with a silhouette shade. The dining area opens to a chef's kitchen with custom gray cabinets, a white veined quartz top with full backsplash and stainless appliances, butcher block island and storage pantry. The primary bedroom suite features an accent wallpaper, custom draperies and rods, and a large walk-in shower with glass doors, new fixtures, decorative tile.